sometimes it just happens. You meet someone and you feel like they're the one. For me, that was Nico. We live simply, not perfect. But it felt real. Or so I believed.
May kumakain mo. Ano mo ko eh?
Saman, ikaw ulaw.
It's a yes.
Sige.
It's a yes.
Bay, sige ra maka-work. Tanawar mong nako, stress na kay ka.
Sige, bay. Sige ka sa mga, bay.
Eh bro, ay nako na si Adriano, kumigo.
Zap.
Bro, tanawara ba?
Sige.
Chat lagi ka. Ay! Nico day. Adrian.
Ikot sa, dito bro. Chat,
Yes,
bro.
thank you.
Ikaw juga nawa ba?
Tawagin kita wala, bay. Busy.
Chat. Kanta makilit ka, mana na. Mana na kanta.
Okay, bro, bay. Walang kay bro, bay. Sige, bro, magpulan.
Sorry bro, emergency bay.
Kuya, mga Bart. Ano ka?
Emergency
Kuya, nakichat sa mo.
Brad, muna na ko bay.
Ah, baby. Ito ko.
Thanks bro, nice to meet you. Amping ah. Hey bro, amping oh.
Besh, pira ka? What's wrong man? Eh, hindi lagi kang katanaw sa kumot. Cute kayo kita, di ba? Kasi na, patay kinig ko. Like what?
Nag-check ko sa Instagram ganiya. Nakita na ko imong post, katakaban mo nili ko sa lake apo. Sweet kaayo mo. Kita di ka? Oo. Di ba kamuto doon ni Nico? Uy, Nico, sweet lagi kaayo mo dito. Yee! Babe, ano na po?
Something else like isa nga.
Ano po siya
Ano something wrong? Hindi pa po siya ma-if siya. What if i-communicate mo na sa iya? Huh? I think i-communicate mo siya because you know what, Besh? I think the best way for you to resolve that problem is to communicate really pag na may problem, diba? Especially na wala kay alam. What if lang naman, diba? What do you think? Diba? Yeah. Sure na ko siya.
Kanas kay dating diri ay baby.
Sala.
Unsa ka oy? Ano mo kulang ka bantay? Ha? Ano ka oy? Sama ni oy. Babe. Help ko diri, babe.
Ay, ikaw na, Ivan, bay.
Salam, babe. Salam.
Brownie ako, bro.
Babe. Babe. Sino lang oh.
So may problema ni mo, babe. Para lang ato.
Sino pala lang ato? You've been off late, hindi ko kabalo si problema ni mo.
Pwede di sa tan istoryahan karon.
No. You can keep running away, Nico, ha? Kung nakay problema, suyaha ko!
So ka makabalo, Maya? Bisan ako, wala na ako kasabot sa akong kaugalingon.
Tell me, yung saan mo pasabot, Ana? Please, babe, I'm right here.
I've been trying to love you the same way, Maya. Pero dili na gyud. There's something inside me that I can't explain.
Babe, saan mo give me? Saan mo straight? Hmm?
That night, niyang ako with my friends, Maya. I met someone.
Girl,
Guy,
you're joking.
I wish I was. Wala ko nagbuhat o anything. Pero that time nga nakita na ko siya. I felt something na wala ko sabot.
So, saan mo give me ko? Kato lang gabi inawa ka uli, ha? Are you cheating?
Wala ko nag-cheat, Maya. Pero that night, everything started making sense. The things I've been ignoring to myself.
So, what are you trying to say?
Babe, I think I like man. I tried to fight it. I tried to convince myself nga that face rani. Pero dili.
4 years, Nico! 4 years! Nagtuo ko nga okay tang duha.
We were, Maya. It was real. You made me happy. Pero karon, dili na ako kaya mamakak sa akong kagalingan og sa imo.
But you already did.
Sometimes, love ends. Not because it was fake, but because we grow into people we never thought we'd become.
I can think of all the times you told me not to touch the light. I never thought you would be the one. Justify how you even thought could be right. 'Cause everything we cherished is gone. And in the kaya bang makayanan kahit pa na nahihirapan, kahit lungkot dumaraan, pag natuyo na ang luha, parang naipan.
Maybe
Ang iyong
it wasn't meant to last forever, but if it made you grow, if it taught you who you are, then it was real, and that's enough.